Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your body and feel amazing in just 4 weeks? Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to elevate your routine, today, I'll share the top 5 exercises that can help you sculpt, strengthen, and energize your body in no time. Let's dive in. 1. Push-ups. The ultimate upper body builder. Push-ups are the king of upper body exercises. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Start with 10 to 15 reps per set and gradually increase. Can't do a full push-up yet? No worries. Modify by keeping your knees on the ground or using a bench. Just stay consistent, and you'll see noticeable upper body strength and tone. 2. Squats. Build strong, toned legs. Next up, squats. These are fantastic for your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Proper form is key, so start with bodyweight squats before adding dumbbells. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Not only will squats help you tone your legs, but they'll also improve your balance and stability over time. 3. Plank. Your core's best friend. If you want a stronger, more defined core, the plank is your go-to exercise. It works your abs, lower back, and even your shoulders. Start by holding the plank position for 20 to 30 seconds, and gradually work your way up to a full minute or more. Remember, quality over quantity. Keep your back straight and hips aligned. 4. Burpees. The full body fat burner. Love them or hate them, burpees are one of the best full body exercises. They combine strength, cardio, and endurance, making them perfect for burning calories and boosting fitness. Start with 8 to 10 burpees in one go, then increase as your stamina builds. This exercise will leave you feeling accomplished. 5. Lunges. Tone and strengthen your lower body. Lunges are incredible for targeting your glutes, hamstrings, and quads. They also improve your balance and flexibility. Try alternating forward lunges with 10 to 12 reps per leg. If you're feeling adventurous, hold a dumbbell in each hand to add resistance. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these exercises 3 to 4 times a week. Maintain a balanced diet, and don't forget to stretch. In just 4 weeks, you'll feel stronger, more confident, and well on your way to your fitness goals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which exercise you'll start with. See you in the next video.